Welcome to video number 271 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, you're going to learn an indispensable small word or a part of a word, and that is ingre or indre. What is the meaning of appadindre that the actor Vijay says here? You can also say appadingra. Appadindra or appadingra means, do you say so? Appadindra or appadingra. Appadindra is actually the short form of அப்படின்னு சொல்லுற. So Vijay could have also asked அப்படின்னு சொல்ற, which is exactly the same as அப்படின்ற, but he chose to say அப்படின்ற, and you can also say அப்படிங்கிற, all just the same. Now you will begin to understand many phrases easily when you hear people talk. He says that he is going.
அவன் போறேங்கிறான், அவன் போறேன்றான், அவன் போறேன்னு சொல்றான்.
And look at something interesting here. We do not even have to say avan. You can just omit it. Why? Because porandra, this is ra is simply means we are talking about he or him. So when you say porandra, it is the exact translation of the whole English phrase. He says that he is going. Porandra. Quite interesting, isn't it? He says that he is going.
போறேங்கிறான், போறேன்றான், போறேன்னு சொல்றான்.
Now let's see how the phrases change with different personal pronouns. See, this place gets silent as you speak. Avaru மழை பெய்யும்ன்றாரு. அவர் மழை பெய்யுன்றாரு. He says it would rain. நீ மழை பெய்யாதுன்ற. நீ மழை பெய்யாதுன்ற. You're saying it wouldn't rain. நியூஸ்ல பெஞ்சாலும் பெய்யுன்றாங்க. நியூஸ்ல பெஞ்சாலும் பெய்யுன்றாங்க. The forecast says it might rain. Now let's take a simple phrase and see the past, present and future for that. Imagine this man says that he is in the office, but you spotted him in the airport traveling. Now you confront him saying you actually saw him in the airport, but
அவன் இல்லைங்கிறான்.
he says no.
அவன் இல்லைன்னா.
He said no.
அவன் இல்லைன்பான்.
He would say no. And now, as I always insist, it's a worthy effort to understand the formal Tamil and colloquial Tamil comparison. How did you get this illandra? Avan illai endran is avan illanna. Avan illai engiran. Avan illandra. Avan illai enban. Avan illemba. This is the difference between the formal Tamil and the colloquial Tamil. And now quest time. அப்படிங்கிற. Now convert this to past tense and the future tense. Very easy. So write the answer in the comment. And by the by, we have started making street videos like this, where you will listen to people talking, just like this. You are still learning the techniques, but I hope it will be helpful for you to learn, and you will see more of such videos in the future.
அப்படின்ற